Looking at new ways to optimize your IT environment? Need to expand outside your data center? Spending too much time rolling out upgrades and patching servers? We've got a solution for you. Transition to Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktop Service, and you can offload the management and maintenance of your Citrix infrastructure, all while maximizing existing data center investments and positioning your business for future success. With Citrix Cloud Servers, new feature updates, security enhancements, and performance optimizations are deployed on a continuous basis, so your environment will always be up to date. Our robust offering is designed for redundancy and reliability, freeing you to focus on more important things, like solving business problems and delivering the best experience to your users. Whether your current deployment is on-premises, all in the public cloud, or a hybrid of both, you can easily manage your environment from a unified, familiar console. Our services also give you more flexibility and scalability for seasonal use cases, rapid capacity requests, or unexpected changes in your business. And making the move is easy with tools to simplify your migration while your users work uninterrupted. Even better, with a shared management plane, you'll gain enhanced visibility over your entire environment to strengthen security and optimize the experience across all of your Citrix products. Flexible, scalable, simplified. If you're ready to modernize your virtualization deployment, take a closer look at Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktop Service today. To learn more, visit citrix.com.